Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enable Reading Pane in your new Outlook for Windows. Now, the Reading Pane is a powerful feature that allows you to preview your emails without opening them fully. This can save you a lot of time and help you to organize. To enable Reading Pane in your Outlook, now there are two different ways. Now, in case if you are on a simplified ribbon view, in that instance, you can go ahead and enable the Reading Pane by clicking on the View tab at the top left corner and then click on the Layout. From the layout, you will have to go ahead and click on Reading Pane and you can choose where your Reading Pane has to be. If it is on the right, you can choose them to be displayed on the right. If you want the Reading Pane to be displayed at the bottom of the Outlook window, then you can choose the Reading Pane at the bottom. So this is how you can enable the Reading Pane in simplified view. In case if you're on a classic ribbon view, in that instance, you can go ahead and enable the Reading Pane by clicking on the view and then click on Reading Pane, and then you can choose where your Reading Pane has to be, on the right or at the bottom. You can choose these options. Now the third option to go ahead and enable the Reading Pane is by going to the settings option. To do this, you will have to click on settings at the top right corner and then click on Mail tab from the left hand side. Now under the layout, you would see an option for the Reading Pane. So in case if you want your Reading Pane at the bottom or at the left, you can go ahead and make those changes right under this section, and these settings would remain or will be retained in the Outlook. So in case these are the options, a Reading Pane on the right or at the bottom, or if you want to turn it off. So for the demonstration purpose, I would choose the Reading Pane at the bottom, and with that you may go ahead and close this window, and that should go ahead and enable the Reading Pane in your Outlook. So this is how you can go ahead and enable the Reading Pane in your Outlook. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.